Toca Boca!
Hi guys, welcome to the Wi-Fi crew. Today we're going to be playing Toca Boca, and today we're doing a house tour. And I accidentally resetted my world. And my characters. Yay! Not a yay. Anyways, I have a new house. My old house is a store now, but we'll get into that store in the next video. Or maybe not. But we'll get it onto it eventually. Now, first, we have the outside. It's normal outside. It is a bit messy. I forgot to move the things in. I'll do that later. So, sorry if it's a little bit messy. I was moving some things in. We have the refrigerator, kitchen. Okay, over here we have where they eat. These two are for the babies because they don't actually have high chairs for them. This is one of their couch where they can all hang out together. And I don't really know what I should do here. I'm gonna add like something here. I don't know what I should add there yet. I'm gonna go downstairs to the basement. Also might be a little bit messy because I had a movie night recently. Off camera. But yeah. This is where they put some of their hats. Just pretty. Has their toys down here where they watch their movies or shows. And also they have some of their things that I was supposed to put in their room, but I forgot. The parents' room and the teens' room. They might be sleeping now. Over here we have the washing machine room. This one's the this one's the washer and the other one's the dryer. So yeah. There's a light bulb. And a little painting over here for no reason. Anyways, we have the parents' room, which has lots of things on the shelf right here. And some clothes. They're grounded right now. That's why all their devices are in there. This is the teens' room. Before you say, why is it so small? I don't really know why. It's kind of last minute. And this is the only room open, so sorry. And then her little studying area where she studies. Her clothes are, and then the bathroom over here, which I'm actually going to add a shower sooner or later. I just don't know when. And finally, last but not least, we have the kids' room, also where their babies are. We have the two older kids. One really likes pink, the other one a little bit of a tomboy. They also have to split their clothes. So one side is for this girl and the other side is for this girl. Go to bed. Sorry about that. And then here are the babies. Have some pretty small rooms, but I mean, they're babies. They don't really need that much room. Have some LED lights for them. And over here, oh yeah, they also have little things for the baby, just in case. And now over here we have the pool, which has floaties for the girls. And also, we have over here, we get the little bird. Also if you didn't notice, a few pet beds are around because they have lots of cats. And they also put some of their hats here. Don't know why. They just do. And last but not least, I guess we have the elevator. Nothing really too major. It's just the normal elevator. So I don't know what else you want me to do, but yeah. So that's basically it. It's bigger than the old house. A lot bigger. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Short one compared to my other ones. But see you guys